Ultra-cool gadgets that will transform your bathroom into the smartest place. The bathroom is a place to indulge in activities such as luxuriating in a soak or steaming. We do not think of this area as being crammed full of technological devices. However, the most recent home appliances are beginning to make their way into this previously technology-free zone. Having technology in the bathroom, such as controlled mood lighting and music, helps create a sense of relaxation and retreat, the likes of which you previously would have only been able to experience in a luxury hotel or spa, according to Faye Young, senior designer of Ripple's Bathroom Design. The following are some of the most recent developments in technology that can completely revamp your bathroom. Number 12. Smart mirrors. You're a busy person, so make sure that you don't throw away even a single second of the 3 minutes that you set out each morning to brush your teeth. Instead, you may watch news headlines stream across the surface of your mirror while you brush your teeth, or you can ask it for an update on the traffic conditions that you will encounter on your way to work. Because the Demister and voice-activated Alexa from Amazon are both included in the Lucas Smart Mirror, you will never have to worry about not being able to properly style your hair. Wix has it for $415 if you're interested. Or you might go for the Adnota Mirror Light Connect 60, which is capable of displaying content pulled from the internet and costs £349 from my smart mirror. Number 11. Televisions in bathroom. What could be more relaxing than soaking in a hot bath for an entire hour? Then how about a 2-hour bath in the tub as you watch the most recent movie to come out of Hollywood? To prevent moisture from getting inside the television and damaging it, it is typically built into the wall of the bathroom, then completely sealed off and wired directly to the power source. The provision offers a diverse selection, as well as waterproof outdoor TVs, if you want one for the garden. At Victorian Plumbing, you can purchase the 24-in unit for a price of $123, or you could go with the 24-inch water view from Bathroom TV, which comes with a heated screen and costs $799. Number 10. Digital loos. There is a huge number of services that you can add to your toilet, and they can all be triggered using a keypad. Some of these services include heated seats, integrated bidet functions, self-cleaning, hair drying, odor removal, massages, and even speakers to play music while you're using them. You have entered the realm of high-tech toilets, also known as Japanese toilets. The German manufacturer Grohe has created a wall-hung rimless design called the Sensuarinit that features a night light and a lid that opens on its own. You can tailor the settings to your preferences using your smartphone. 375 pounds, Victoria Plug. However, if you don't want to replace your toilet, you may purchase a smart seat from Lush Lube. This seat includes much of the functionality that you might want in a toilet seat. The bidet toilet seat known as the Classic costs $399. Number 9. Devices that recycle water. A recycler will take whatever was in your bathtub or washing machine and put it to use to water your roses or flush the toilet. They are not inexpensive, but if you have a water meter, you will be able to calculate how much money you are saving while also helping the environment in some small way. Free Flush offers a recycling system called the HydroLook for $5.249. Number 8. Savvy showers. You may use your phone or Amazon Alexa to adjust the temperature, the length of time, and the radio station for your shower. The vast majority of systems require that they be installed from the ground up, but certain ones, such as the Aqualisa Quartz Smart System, which can be purchased for £701 from plumnation.co.uk, and the Smart Tap, which can be purchased for £699 from Super Baths, can be retrofitted to your existing shower. Number 7. Sensor taps. Because of these devices, you won't even need to touch the taps to get the water to flow. Instead, an infrared sensor detects whether your hands are in the correct position and activates the water flow when it does. The temperature is set by a lever. The battery-operated Armitage Yang Sensor Floaty Mixer Tub may be purchased from Victorian Plumbing for the price of £185. Number 6. UpKit Automatic Toothpaste Dispenser. With the UpKit Automatic Toothpaste Dispenser, you can give your restroom a more contemporary look while also making it cleaner. This streamlined toothpaste dispenser eliminates the clutter caused by toothpaste tubes in your sink. In addition, because it dispenses precisely the right amount of toothpaste every time, it prevents messy toothpaste accidents. You're going to adore the alternatives of silver, marble, and wood for the finish. Number 5. Nivea by Moan Adjustable Shower Head. In the not 2. Distant future, there will be no such thing as a weak shower with a spray that just about covers your head. The Nivea Adjustable Shower Head by Moen is a product that brings the present into the future. It provides coverage that is equivalent to that of 2 regular showers put together. Despite this, it still saves approximately 45% of the water. This shower head is adjustable, and it also provides you with a spa-like experience thanks to its innovative spray technique, which gives the impression that more water is hitting your body than it is. Number 4. Kohler Stillness Bath Smart Bathtub. One of the most cutting-edge ways to unwind is in the Kohler Stillness Bath Smart Bathtub. This tub, which was designed with the practice of forest bathing in Japan in mind, helps to calm the mind and relax the body. The tub is filled with water from the bottom up, and as it nears its maximum capacity, the water spills over the edge and into the moat made of hinoki wood. The atmosphere is further enhanced by full-spectrum lighting, fog, and fragrant oils. Number 3. The Good Papa Smart Bathroom Brush. With the help of the Good Papa Smart Toilet Brush, you can clean your toilet in an up-to-date way. Using the force of a TPR brush head, this high-tech toilet brush will keep your porcelain throne clean and free of bacteria. In addition, it spins at a rate of 300 times per minute, which ensures that it will remove all of the gunk from your toilet. Last but not least, the UV-C sterilizing process ensures that this brush is 99.9% free of germs and bacteria. Number 2. Smart Bathroom Mat by Mateo. With the Mateo Smart Bathroom Mat, you can finally end your relationship with your bathroom scale for good. Simply step on the footprints, and the weight of whoever is standing on this intelligent mat will be discreetly recorded. In addition to that, it provides information regarding the proportion of muscle to fat in your body through its bioimpedance analysis technology. Keeping tabs on your weight has never been simpler or more comfortable than it is today. Number 1. Talo Self Brushing Toothbrush. And naturally, upgrading your toothbrush is just another fantastic thing you can do to make your bathroom look more modern. Would you be interested in hearing about the Talo Self Brushing Toothbrush? It brushes each tooth in under 20 seconds using a technique that is approved by the American Dental Association, ADA. It makes the process of keeping your teeth clean in a natural way more convenient for you. Creating the ultra-modern bathroom of your dreams may not be as out of reach as you might think if you just add one of the stylish bathroom gadgets from this list to the one you already have. These devices will make sure that your futuristic bathroom has a wonderful appearance and will be useful. They range from a bathtub that has mood lighting to a mirror that can examine your health. Leave a comment letting us know which of these devices you like using the most and why. And subscribe to our YouTube channel.